Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Control Panel. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new control panel. The control panel has the touchpad mounted on it, and it's where you make your selections for the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the touchpad's failed and the dishwasher is not responding to your inputs or the frame is damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. We're not going to open it up all the way, just open it up far enough so we can use the Torx 15 driver to take out the screws that hold the control panel on. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to make sure you hold on to the control panel so it doesn't fall off. Once you have the last screw out, we're going to close the door a little bit and then lower the control panel down and separate it. Once you have it lowered down, we can take the components off. First, we're going to take the latch assembly off. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a little release tab on each side. They have to release and lift up on the assembly. Once you have it released, we're just going to lift up on it and make sure it's clear, and then set it down on the control panel. We can take the control board out. To get the control board out, there's a couple locking tabs on this end. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver to press on them. And you want to lift up on the control board as you're pressing the tabs so they don't relatch. And we can lift up on the control board and disconnect the ribbon cable. What you have to do is carefully pull it out of the control board. And then we can pull the control board out of the end. There's just a couple feet down there that we have to pull out. As you lower it down, you can just set the latch assembly and the control board against the door carefully. Then we can pull the control panel off the dishwasher. Here's the old control panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new control panel in, we're just going to lift up on the control board and the latch assembly and set it on the control panel. And then we can plug the control board in. Before we do that, we're going to put the two little feet on the end of the control board into the opening down here. Once you have it in, we're going to plug the ribbon cable in real quick. Just need to fold it over and put it onto the plug. Once you have it plugged in, then we can snap the control board into the control panel. And then we can grab the latch assembly and put it into its opening. Line up the handle. And you want to make sure that these two little pins right here are lined up and go through the latch. You can push down on it and snap it in place. Once you have it in, we're going to lift the panel up a little bit and open up the door and lift it into place. Make sure the latch comes through the front. Once you have it in, we can open up the door, use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have all the screws in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.